Good morning. So my tent was there and I already packed everything. So, well, let's say already it's 10:30 a.m. and I will have breakfast over there in this building. So that's not very far. Let's go. Hello. I think this is where they collect the bog. They have these bags laying around and all these lines in the grass. I'm sorry. Oh, there's a lighthouse over there, you see? Great. Oh wow. Oh, look at this. I think you can't go any further than this. I think I can go there. Oh wow. Oh, that looks amazing. Huh. The color of that water is so beautiful. There's another hole, huh? Oh wow. Oh wow, that's cool, huh? There's a beach in that hole. That's incredible. Just some birds, many sheep. You hear only the sheep and the water down there. That's incredible. I like that. I will miss the sheep when I leave Ireland. It's so nice that you have sheep everywhere. Look at them. Traffic on my road. Oh, you're so cute. Look at you guys. Oh man, this cliff looks amazing. Look at that. Oh, incredible. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's lovely. Oh wow, look. That river. That's super cute. Wait a second. Look at that. That's a nice church. Don't be so scared. Oh no. Wow. I think depending on the tide, you could go there with a car or motorcycle. I'm not sure, but you see that the beach is connected. Like, oh, that would be interesting. But for sure you can walk there because you see it underneath. Oh, very cool, huh? They look amazing. Wait a second. Oh, look at these horns. Yes. Oh, these are cool. It's just great. Let me see. that. And look at the house over there. Unbelievable. Look at that beach over there. Wow. That's a huge one over there. And this one is so remote. Amazing. There it is. But I'm far too late, so it will be closed. Oh, it looks amazing. Oh, lovely. Ah, beautiful. Ah, it's closed here already, huh? What a pity. Oh, it's beautiful, huh? Look at that. There's no information about the opening hours. Oh, I have to check. You can actually book accommodation over there. I checked on their homepage. It would be too expensive anyway, but sleeping at a lighthouse is not really cost for accommodation, it's kinda adventure cost. So that's a different budget. That's why I checked it. But of course it's not possible on short notice. They just camp here. That's smart. That's some camping park. But tomorrow it should rain tomorrow until 9 o'clock, so might not be able to put down the tent in the morning right away. Let's see. Hello. So I'm now in the campus kitchen. I used the time to charge all my devices. So I will show you for a second what I did today. It was 250 kilometers and I started here at the campsite, and because I was the day before in Slieve League, I drove up right away and followed this wild Atlantic way all the way up here. There was a very nice viewpoint as well, and then I drove down here to the lighthouse, and after the lighthouse I just drove to this point where I'm right now at another campsite. What is left from the Wild Atlantic Way is just this part for tomorrow. Yeah, it was nice. I had no rain, which was amazing. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. See you.